How to check flight credits on Southwest Airlines. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to the travel fund checking option here. If your flight credit is from a disrupted flight, it may take up to 24 to 48 hours for the system to reflect. And flight credits from disrupted basic fares may take up to 48 hours to display. In here, add your first name, your last name, and your confirmation number. After you have added your confirmation number, click on Check Funds. And after you've clicked on Check Funds in here, it will show you your flight credit and all your information on funds. And this is how to check flight credits on Southwest Airlines. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.